There was a time when great railroads crisscrossed America. No matter where you were, you could always hear the whistle of a distant steam locomotive. The modern light rail systems and commuter trains of today seem void of the romance that once embraced travelers of a bygone era. The steam rail lines that are left operate as excursion trains, attracting those who wish to see what is and others to remember what was. There's a magic about riding in an old coach pulled by an iron horse relic, where the trip becomes primary, the destination secondary. Perhaps the fading of steam railroads into only memories has led to the increased popularity of model railroading. Rail buffs, hobbyists, and children alike create their own little worlds, pretending their miniature trains are the real thing as they wind through artificial landscapes. But no matter how detailed a model railway, we can only tower over it, viewing it as though we were giants. Until now. So sit back and take a trip, visiting a time and place where life is a little friendlier, with a pace a lot less frantic. And imagine you're only 3 inches tall.
Backyard Railways is a video that lets you view model railroading from a whole new perspective. Standing trackside and riding inside the cab of a model locomotive. Beautifully photographed, the experience is viewed as passenger, engineer, and trackside spectator. Rail fans, model railroad buffs, and children will enjoy watching the G-scale models as they wind their way through artificial and natural landscapes. And what would a great railroad video be without a train wreck? There is a dramatic conclusion where our train makes an unscheduled stop. Backyard Railways. The entire family will be completely entertained.